Asi bayo yang ginulis lagyo meto nga kabalen king national bodybuilding stage. Kay bating ikuang second place king Bikini Classic A ning KG Classic 2026 The Last Dance. Asungkit ng Lourdes Malyari ning Barangay Quebiawan, City of San Fernando ing silver finish kay bat may kipagsabayan kareng bodybuilder ibat kareng niyayaliwang parti ning bansa.
Second place goes to athlete number 194, Lourdes Marie Malyari.
Let's go, coach! Congrats, coach!
Genapan yung National Bodybuilding Competition king Philinvest 10th Alabang inyang Sabado, August 8. Maragula party king kayang pamagsadya ing kayang coach ay Rodney Gonzalez. Aliwa iting mumunang podium finish ng Malyari king KG Classic. Inyang 2025, inuli ni ing third place king Bikini category. Banwang 2023 naman, inyang kilalanan niyang kampyon king Bikini Fitness Newcomer category ning IFBB Philippines Nationals. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.